Very good afternoon to all of you. Hope that you all are doing great. I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. So, friends, after a long time, today I have come here a place, a big field. So, the name of this place is Banijjo, and this field is behind of many types of library, bhavan, many types of in this place, in my behind, there are lots of government office are here, and in my behind also you can see this is a big field are here, and the name of this field is Banijjo. So this is in front of Agargaon. Yeah, so this is close from the Agargaon. So sometimes I have come here in this place for my playing, for play something like football or cricket, and here lots of boys and lots of people, they come here for playing football or cricket. I am also come here for spend my time, my leisure time. Yeah, for this reason I have come here in this place. And sometimes, so I once when I once one thing I want to share about. So today I don't come here alone. So today I have come here with my friends Arif and also my many friends, and they have come here for playing. You can see the scenery. So in this lots of what is the name of this thing I don't know, but there are lots of birds actually sitting here and chirping. So I try to show you closely. So let's see. And in front of me this is also here also a road also, and this is a big road. And if I try to tell you, share about this thing. So I think you didn't see this thing clearly. So the birds are chirping in these trees, but you cannot see because my camera quality is not very good, and some of birds also are there. If I try to tell you. So at this time now I am cycling at this time, and I have to control the two things, camera and my cycle, but I am control. Yeah, I am trying to control this thing, but if I try to share this thing, you can see. Yeah, I think you can able to watch. Yeah, so I think you do not see because my camera quality is not very good. And yeah, in front of me there are two, no, one boy and his father actually playing football. You can see. So in this field, lots of people they have come here, like many types of children, many types of father, many types of you can see this thing. You can see this is a plane. So this is very close from us. I don't know. So yeah, in this place, the RAF battalion or army are here. For this reason, there are lots of armies or RAF. They have come here and they are, yeah. So in this field, there are lots of armies and RAFs camp here. For this reason, we are see this thing. Yeah. So this is a common thing in our Bangladesh, but in airport also there are lots of planes are here there. So when I go to the Hazrat Shah Jalal airport, then I see lots of things. But I think I will definitely go there with my mama. When my mama is coming, I'm trying to go with them. Yeah, I will try to go with them. Yeah, so if I try to tell you the one thing is my mama is also a army. Yeah, for this reason this is very good thing for me, because this is very this work is very respectable work for any people, because the army, what is the opportunity through army. Yeah, so I don't want to make it more longer. The thing is I have to share about those things. For this reason I have come here in this place, but I don't talk about anything. Yeah, so I want to finish at this time my video, because my friends are calling me for playing, because long time I have come here, and my time is also over. And yeah, practice English every day. And if you watch my previous video, you know I make video in outside, but at this time I'm also making video in outside. Yeah, this is very good for me because I have many times ago I have come here. Many days later I have come here in this place. Yeah, I don't want to make it more longer. Yeah, practice English every day. Goodbye.